This tutorial is about stress concentration in a plate with a central hole. As you see in the image, tensile force F is acting on the plate with a central hole. Its value is 10,000 newtons. Plate's width W is 100 mm. Plate's thickness T is 10 mm. Central hole diameter is 30 mm. We will consider same parameters for the analysis. Maximum stress expression is given here with stress concentration factor. This expression is for nominal stress. Effective width at hole center will be W minus D. Expression for stress factor. It is important to note that this factor is not dependent on thickness. Based on given inputs, D by W ratio will be stress concentration factor will be nominal stress, maximum stress. This sheet is parametric. You can see the impact on results by changing parameters values. Let's check this setup in ANSYS, and in last, we will compare the maximum stress, analytical result and simulation result. Open ANSYS space claim. Select sketch plane. Draw rectangle. Define with respect to its center. 200 mm length, 100 mm width. Select circle. Specify 30 mm diameter. Close sketch. Select surface and specify thickness. In next step, we will define planes for splitting body. Follow steps. Select plane and press Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+V for duplicating this plane. Offset plane by 30 mm. Select this plane and offset by 30 mm. Do the same steps for this plane. Select Split Body tool. Select Body, and select 4 planes to split this body. Delete all these reference planes. Hide this center part and define 2 planes diagonally. Split this central part with these 2 planes. Delete these planes. Select all bodies and put in new component. Next step is to generate mesh. Click on Mesh ribbon. Turn on Mesh tools. Add bodies. Select all bodies. Click here to generate mesh. Mesh is generated successfully. You can check element quality parameters. This is how you can generated hexahedral mesh for this structural part. Export this mesh. Select .inp format. Specify file name, folder path, and save. Click on External Model. Select Mesh File by browsing File. Change Unit System. Select Static Structural System. Connect this mesh with Static Structural Model. Update this mesh. Open ANSYS Mechanical by double-clicking on it. Check the progress. Check mesh. Select this face and apply boundary condition. Select displacement. Make all displacements to 0. Select this face and provide force. Enter value. Solve this simulation setup. Check stress value. Change unit. Check maximum stress location. Save this image. Paste here. This Google Sheet is provided in description. You can modify parameters once you copy this sheet. Let's calculate error. This error is acceptable. Thank you for your time. Please do not forget to comment for next video topics.